Hello, geography students. Let's learn how to make a special purpose map using mapchart.net. So for this assignment, you might be in your examining literacy rates page of your digital notebook for your Middle East, North Africa. So your first task is to find the percentage difference between males and females for all of these Middle East and North African countries. So I'm just going to quickly make up some numbers so I can show you how this is done. Perfect. I just made up some numbers just to fill out that column to show you how to complete this assignment. You, of course, will do the math. Next, go to page 12. Look at that key. I want you to make sure that you clump all of these different percentages together. And so I'll show you how to do that. So first, decide on the color. And you can do that by saying, okay, I am going to make the 0 to 5% difference. I am going to make that color yellow. I am going to make 6 to 10% orange. I'm going to make 11 to 16% pink. I'll make a 17 to 21% difference blue. And I'll make a 22 and up percent difference. Let's do like a gray color. Then I want you to go and you've already done the math. Take everything that fits in that yellow to 5% and highlight it yellow. Everything that fits within the 6 to 10% orange. Everything in the 11 to 16% pink. 17 to 21% blue, and 22% and up gray. So I'm going to pause and show you how that is done. Okay, so what I did quickly is I just looked at this key and then I highlighted each row that fit within that number gap. 0 to 5 was yellow, 6 to 10, orange, etc. So I just left the 22% and up left so I can show you. So like Kuwait has 25%. Again, I didn't do the math because I want you guys to do the math. But you can see I'm just highlighting, 25 Yemen. And that is going to be, again, that gray color. I missed one. UAE is 20, so that is going to be that teal color. Then I'm going to go to mapchart.net. From there, I can click the world, simple with countries. This gives me a list of, this shows me all of the countries. I'm going to click zoom mode. See that? I'm going to zoom mode right here. And then when you do that, it expands when you click on it. And it allows you to scroll in and give a closer focus. So what we're going to do, because we want this region right here of North Africa in the Middle East, is we are going to zoom over here. If you accidentally click on a country, like I did, I accidentally clicked it red, oops, right click and click remove color. From there, hit exit zoom. This allows you to move the computer without resetting the in and out, the zoom mode. You have already decided your colors over to the left screen with the literacy rates. So let's choose yellow first. And we can show country names. If we click this right here, this allows us to show the country names. This allows us to change the color. So I'm going to take my yellow and I'm going to color Iran yellow and Lebanon yellow and Cyprus yellow, etc. Okay, now if I want to change the color from yellow to orange, which is my next one, again, I'm going to click select color. I'm going to go to orange, and then I'm going to click Iraq, Syria, Turkey, Niger. Now if I want to change my color to the pink color, again, select color, pink, and then you're going to color Jordan, pink, Israel, Mauritania. Okay, I'm just going to finish coloring this map. Again, fake colors, do not follow my lead. Okay, and since I use this gray color in the key, I am going to change white, and then I'm going to color in all of these countries in white so that when people are analyzing my special purpose data. They don't think that those countries are part of that gray coloring. So all of these kind of bordering countries, I'm just going to go click, 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 click all over the place to show that they're not part of this. And again, oops, oh my gosh, I accidentally colored Algeria in yellow. So again, you can hit remove color, or you can just go back into the yellow color. All of these that have a check mark show that that is the color that you have currently used. Now, we could fill this key in 0 to 5% and 6 to 10%, 11 to 16%, and 17 to 21%, and then 22% and up. And this is not applicable, right? We didn't do any data for that. And we can also title our legend. Percentage, let's do percentage difference literacy rates. From there, we can preview our map. And it shows you here what our map is going to look like. And if we're good with it, we click download map. And then from there, you can go back into slide 12, take this and drag and drop it right there, and done. You have done your assignment. Let's take this key. Let's Control X it. Let's delete this, paste. There we go. And we have just completed the examining literacy rates for North Africa and the Middle East. I hope this helps you all. Bye. Have a great day, world geographers.